Good afternoon, adventurers. Today we will be going to Black Mountain, the highest point in Kentucky. So Black Mountain is one of those high points. There's not a lot to it. So there's a place nearby that I wanted to check out here. It's called Flag Rock Recreational Area near Norton, Virginia. It's right on my way to Black Mountain. There's a nice little overlook or viewpoint out here. You're gonna check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, Flag Rock. That over there is Norton, Virginia. And then over in this direction, west of here, about 20 miles, is where Black Mountain is. Okay, I am at Black Mountain. This isn't the actual high point, but it's an overlook and a good example of the effects of mining. But still a gorgeous overlook. Here is the sign on the side of the highway, but this is also not the high point. The high point is just up a road right over there. At first I thought it was up this road and it was closed, but that's not the right one. Let's go. Here we are at the high point. There's a few things around here, and we'll check them all out. The road up here was pretty rough. Probably don't need any high clearance, but 4-wheel drive, probably. Just some big plot holes. I just took it real slow. It was fine. Here we go, we got a plaque. One of the first cable TV companies was started right here. Alright, over here we have an old fire tower, which is right at the top. There's some garbage and some beer bottles left over here. And then right off center here is the survey marker. Kentucky, highest point, 4,139 feet. They have removed the bottom level of the stairs and the top of the fire tower. And there's about 8 radio towers here. And now I'm going to climb one of them. No, I'm just kidding. Alright, made it down Black Mountain okay. Back here at the overlook. The sun is setting. It's quite beautiful. So that road is pretty rough. You might want to be cautious going down it. Pretty rough. Just take it slow, you'll be okay. This overlook is beautiful. No overlook at the top though. No view. But high point number 18, highest point in Kentucky. Check. I will be heading to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park next for a couple of days, doing some exploring around in that area. So make sure you like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any of those. And I will see you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.